What is going on, everybody in Mac Squad? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have a speed test between the Galaxy A20 and the LG G8 Thinq. Yeah, stay tuned. With the Galaxy A20 here on the left side, you can see that we got an octa-core chipset with 2 cores being clocked at 1.8 gigahertz and the other 6 being clocked at 1.6. Now you also get 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage, and the device is going to be running Android 9 with security patch of January 1st, 2020. And on the right side here, we have the LG G8 Thinq, a flagship phone from 2019. And you have inside of here the Snapdragon 855, which is basically an octa-core chipset. You have multiple cores clocked at different frequencies, but the device is extremely fast. That's all you need to know. You get 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, and the device is going to have Android 10 with security patch of February 1st, 2020. So clearly on paper, the LG G8 is going to take this W here. So as of right now, we have 1 for the LG G8 and 0 for the A20. Now with the next part of my speed test here, what I'm going to do is a series of app opening tests to see which device can open up whatever application I decide to open the fastest. And afterwards, I test the RAM to see which device holds the applications better in the background. So the first application we're going to open up here is Play Store. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the LG G8. The next application we're going to open up here is YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Galaxy A20. The next application we're going to open up here is Amazon. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the LG G8. The next application we're going to open up is Instagram. So 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna give that to the Galaxy A20 because it refreshed faster. That matters. The next application we're going to open up here is Facebook. So 3, 2, 1. I think that went to the LG G8. The next application we're going to open up here is Twitter. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the LG G8. And the next application we're going to open up is Spotify. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the LG G8. And the final application we're going to open up here is Best Buy. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the LG G8. So clearly the LG G8 opened up most of those applications faster than the Galaxy A20, with the A20 opening up YouTube faster, but that's just one. Now let's go ahead and test the RAM, which should go to the LG as well, but let's see what happens. Play Store. Held in the background by both. YouTube. Held in the background by both. Amazon. Held by both. Instagram. Held by both. Facebook. Held by both. Twitter. Held by both. Spotify. Held by both. Best Buy. Held by both. With the results of the RAM management tester, you can see that the LG G8 Thinq has 3 gigs of RAM, more than the Galaxy A20, but both devices were able to hold all 7, I believe, of those applications in the background, with the A20 having 3 gigs of RAM. But based on the app opening part of the test, we had to give it to the LG because it did open up more of the applications faster. So as of right now, the LG has 2 and the Galaxy A20 has 0. So with this next part of the speed test here, what we're going to discuss are the Geekbench numbers and the AnTuTu benchmark numbers. And with the Galaxy A20 being on the left, we have a single core score of 271 and a multi-core score of 1000 even. And with the LG G8 Thinq, we have a single core score of 728 and a multi-core score of 2503. So that has to go to the LG G8 Thinq, no question. Now with the AnTuTu benchmark numbers here, I got anywhere between This score you see right now with the LG G8, 319,825. I got between that and about 420, 430,000 on the Antutu benchmark scores. It's always up and down, but with the Galaxy A20, I got 120,762. So already that's a 200,000 point difference. So when it comes to looking at these numbers here, you can't deny the numbers. One phone is clearly more superior than the other. So as of right now, we got 3 for the LG G8 Thinq and 0 for the Galaxy A20. So with this next part of the speed test here, what we're going to do is install 3 of the top applications in the Play Store. And how the rules usually go for this test, whichever device installs 2 of the 3 faster than the other device automatically wins this part of the test. So to make things plain and simple, the first application we're going to install here is the application called Zoom Cloud Meetings. So let's get that started in 3, 2, 1. Which device is going to install it first? Let's see. LG G8 is already in the lead there. So if you look at it here, you can see the Galaxy A20 is already installing. LG G8 is right behind it. Let's see who wins. LG G8 Thinq takes this W. The next application we're going to install here is the application called Newsbreak. 3, 2, 1. So is the LG G8 going to take this one as well? Let's see what happens. Oh man, it's already at 90%. Oh man, this is not looking too good. This is not, oh, the LG G8 takes this one here. So you know the rules. As per rules here on the channel with my speed test videos, the LG G8 installed 2 of the 3 applications faster than the Galaxy A20, so that automatically makes it the victor of that last round. So as right now we have 4 for the LG G8 and 0 for the Galaxy A20. Let's get to the last part of the speed test and close out the video. Now with the final part of the speed test here, what I'm going to do is just simply restart the phones and see which one turns off and turns back on faster. Without any further ado, let's get that started in 3, 2, 1. I'm going to put money on the LG G8. Let's see what happens. And the LG G8 Thinq has powered on. Let's wait for the Galaxy A10, or excuse me, A20 to be respectful. Wow. The Galaxy A20 has just turned on. So yes, clearly the G8 beat it there. So if you saw there with the end of the test there, the G8 turned on way faster than the Galaxy A20. And it actually had time to spare. I think the lock screen came up and it actually went into the always on display. So a little bit disrespectful there, but obviously this is a flagship phone, and going up against a budget phone, which is the Galaxy A20, you're able to see the difference and why sometimes people say, is it really worth the money over getting something a little bit cheaper? In this case, you saw the video. Every single thing it did was faster than the Galaxy A20. Now, in one case, the YouTube application opened up faster than on the LG G8, but you know, it's not a perfect phone, but 9 times out of 10 is going to be a little bit faster. So do you guys like videos like this when I do a speed test and I take a flagship and I put it up against a more budget-friendly phone? Are those type of videos interesting to you? Let me know in the comment section below. But be sure to share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It's just not true, especially this one. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.